Well, we're lucky enough to be joined by Matt Lanford from MasterCard this morning, who will be sharing a few insights on the prepaid market. So Matt, why is prepaid a key platform for innovation?
Well, we see prepaid as kind of the facilitator for helping some of the new technologies like mobile, like contactless, like e-com. Many consumers that we've spoken with in the past have said that they're at the moment uncomfortable attaching their credit or debit card to some of these new technologies because they're not quite sure of them yet, because they're new. And prepaid it gives the ability for these consumers to feel more comfortable and more secure as they try out these new technologies. In addition, many banking platforms are, they're older, they're proprietary, and it takes a lot more for them to be customized in order to support some of these new technologies. And the prepaid platforms are a lot more flexible and easily changeable to test out some of these new technologies that are out there in the market today.
And how important is the regulatory environment for the development of the prepaid industry?
I think the regulatory environment is a key component. I mean, this is something that we all have to monitor quite intensively on prepaid, whether it's the things that we're hearing in the U.S. around the Durbin Agreement and the restriction or control on interchange for debit products, to the Payment Services Directive and the new Payment Services Directive. We've heard about the German government putting some strict controls on AML. And so all this is saying is that we constantly have to be vigilant about looking at and monitoring the regulatory environment because it can change very quickly.
And what actions do companies need to take in order to overcome the concerns of cardholders?
I think this was actually quite simple. To overcome the concerns of cardholders, you need to listen to your cardholders. You need to understand what they need, understand what are their key points, what do they like, what do they not like. It's really, we need to stop thinking about the technology and stop thinking about how we're going to make money, per se, and listen to what the cardholders want. As long as we're providing products that people want and people need, then I think we'll be successful in the industry.
How are you finding Prepaid 2011 so far?
It's been great. A lot of new faces that we're seeing here at the conference, a lot of good engagement and interaction, great conversations I see happening around, and the speakers have been great. So it's been a good conference so far.
Thanks very much, Matt.
Thanks.